in the rice cooker. Yellow rice and broccoli. I'm gonna put that butter texture on it too. So if this is your first time here, subscribe to the channel. You won't regret it. And thumbs this video up. Do it for me and Monique. It's free to thumbs it up, so thumbs it up. And it's also free to subscribe and hit that notification bell for future videos coming your way by your boy Chef Jay and Miss Monique. All right, let's get this recipe on and popping, y'all. I ain't gonna hold you. Let's go. Oh shit, I gotta pick Monique up. Oh shit. Hey fam, I got my rice in a rice cooker. So all that white chalk stuff, get that off your rice, man. Wash your rice like 5 times until you get that clear water on your rice. I always start off, when I cook rice, I wash my rice off. Don't just cook your rice with all that stuff on your rice, man. That ain't good. And every time I make a rice video, I always show you guys how to properly wash and clean your rice off. Alright? Look at that. You don't want that dark gray water, okay? When that water turns real clear, then that's when you're good, okay? Wash it off like 4 or 5 times. With some warm water, not cold water, warm water. Alright? Alright, I'm gonna do it one more and that's it. So we looking good so far. A lot of people don't believe it, but you gotta wash it right. You know, that's why it's not good to eat everybody cooking, fam. See how clear that look? Now that's the way you want it. Okay? And then you put your hot water on your rice. And we're going to season this bad boy up too. Okay, that's about enough water we need. Alright? So now, let's season that rice up, y'all, in that rice bowl right there. Okay? But first, let's lay that broccoli in there. Yeah, lay all that broccoli in there. Make sure you get it all, because everything is expensive these days. So make sure you get it all. All right, you're going to add your garlic powder. Add your complete seasoning. Some onion powder. And you're going to add some butter. Yeah, just add a little bit of butter. Okay. And then we're going to get that Sazon season. And we're going to turn that rice yellow. Okay. Just like so. Get our spoon. We're going to combine that flavors and all that together. It's a real simple, easy recipe that you can do in your own kitchen. I'm going to add one more packet because I want to be on the safe side of this rice to turn yellow. Okay? Combine that together. All right. Slap the top on that bad boy. And put that bad boy in the rice cooker. Just like that. Okay? Turn it on. And we let it cook. All right, let's take our body over here to just season up this chicken. Okay, fam. I got chicken wings here. I washed them off, cleaned them off, Everything's good. No feathers, no nothing on this chicken. All right. First thing I want to do is I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil to my chicken. Okay. Sorry about that noise, y'all. Some black pepper. Some adobo seasoning salt. Some onion powder. Some complete seasoning. Some garlic powder. Some fresh parsley. Last but least, Szechuan seasoning. I'm at 4 packs. There's so many pieces of chicken. All right. And then I'm gonna massage them flavors in these chicken wings. See how good that's looking? That's what I'm talking about, baby. And it smells awesome. Okay. That look good. Just the way I like it. Okay. So now we're gonna put these bad boys in the pan. Get your pan. I'm gonna put these bad boys, line them up right in the pan. You don't even have to fold them. Because either way it go, they're gonna get eaten regardless. You don't have to fold them at all. No, you do not. Okay, now watch what I do. I'm about to get that season off, put some water in there, and I'm gonna put it right on there. All right. Okay, fam. Okay, I just preheated my oven to 400 degrees. Remember that seasoning that I had inside of this bowl here? I add a little water, and I just used it. That's what, and I only added a little bit, as you can see. You know what I'm saying? So it won't overtake the seasoning off the chicken. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm about to throw this bad boy in the oven. Throw this bad boy in the oven. And I'm gonna let it cook. All right, y'all. There go them chicken wings, nice and seasoned. Nice and done. Them bad boys looking good, ain't it? Mm-hmm. Yeah, man. I want y'all to thumbs this video up. And if you're new here, subscribe to the channel for more recipes coming from Chef Jay. And once again, welcome to Jay and Monique's TV. On to the next one. I'm gonna show y'all the rice and the broccoli. Okay, fam, that is the rice and broccoli that I made inside the rice cooker. And that bad boy is nice and good, y'all. Yeah, man. I want to say thank y'all very much for taking your time out of your busy day and watching Chef Jay cook in the kitchen again. All right? I'll see y'all in the next one. Thanks for... Oh shit, I gotta pick Monique up. Oh shit.